to all my subscribers. I sure appreciate it. I installed a third MTH smoke unit, and this time I put it in a Lionel MPC -8 engine. I really like these. I purchased them in, I believe, 1990. And the reason I put it in the non-powered was I can run it with other trains. I can run it with my Menards train. And I can run it with command control. And it works out great. It gives more flexibility how I can use it. I've already done install videos that you can see how I installed these previously. Thank you.